Welcome back to Impact Math with Miss Taylor. All right, we got some composite area. So when you're doing these composite area shapes, you have to cut it. Now you can cut it any way you want. You can cut it long, we could cut it this way or we could cut it this way. It's really on how your eye sees it, to be honest. I'm going to cut it this way. Okay? So what I'm going to be finding is the area of this rectangle here. Okay? So this long rectangle here in the pink. And then I'm going to need to find this rectangle down here in the purple. Okay, well first we need to know what area formula is for a rectangle. Well, area for a rectangle is length times width. Okay, so we have our length, which is 12, and we have our width, which is 2. So our area for a rectangle, for a pink rectangle, I should say, is going to be 24. Okay. For our pink one. Now we have to figure out our area for our purple. So if we have area for our purple, well, we remember area for a rectangle is length times width. But we can't use this 4. We have our length here, which is 6, but we need our width. We need the width, right? So we need to find, we can't use the 4 here because the 4 is for both rectangles. So we just need this width right here. Well, see how they gave us this side is 2? So we can do 4 minus 2 to get this width. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So we're going to do 6 times 2 to get our purple area. Okay. So that's going to give us 12. All right. Okay, cool. But remember, we want to find our total area. Total. So what do we have to do? Our last step? Add. 24 plus 12. And that's going to give us 36 centimeters squared. Remember, whenever you're dealing with area, you got to put your units as squared. Alrighty. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and I most definitely will catch you on the next one. And don't forget to hit that follow button. Thank you. Bye.